What's up, fam? Marvin here. It's been a long time. I haven't seen you, but you know what? Still love you. I might not see you or talk to you every day, but you are in my heart, and you're awesome. That didn't sound right. You are awesome, and thank you a millionfold ahead of time. So, I'm starting a new career. I'm an Amazon affiliate. That just means I get a referral fee for anybody that uses my link that shops on Amazon. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra. You're just using my link. It brings you to Amazon and you can buy whatever you want. Backstory. When you become an Amazon affiliate, you're on probation. They give you a certain amount of days to get some traction, basically show clicks and purchases. If you don't show that within a time period, they remove your account. Not your shopping account, your affiliate account. So, in the process, while I'm working things out, trying to figure out how the whole system works, I need for you. Now, I know all you guys shop on Amazon. Use my link. It brings you to Amazon. You buy whatever you want. Again, it doesn't cost you anything extra. You are doing me a favor. Can you do me a favor? I'll do you a favor back. Once this is working for me, I'll show you how to do it too. Super simple, and it's free. So, my link is posted down below, wherever I post this. And do me a favor, use my link before you shop on Amazon. And thank you a millionfold ahead of time. You're awesome. I love you. Peace. You're the best. Leave a comment down below. Say hello so I know who it is. Deuces.